Ring grip exerciser exercises. Squeezing. Squeeze with the ring between the middle of your fingers and the palm of your hand. Pinching. Squeeze with the ring between your fingertips and thumb. If you find the difficulty too easy, try going up to the next difficulty level. Stretching. Insert your fingers into the hole in the middle of the ring and extend them outward. Individual fingers. Squeeze with the ring between your fingertips and thumb, using only one finger at a time. Thumb strengthening. Squeeze the ring between the thumb and the side of the pointer finger.